In this video, I'm going to be talking about whether or not social media marketing is dead. So what's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video today. In this video, I'm going to be answering a question I get all of the time, which is, Brad, is social media marketing dead? Can I still start it? Is it a waste of time? Is it oversaturated? Is it dying, okay? Or is it still flourishing and can I still get a ton of clients? Do you recommend I start one? Now, just before we jump into the video and I answer that question, if you are new around here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell. I'm coming out with 100% free content about social media marketing, business, and entrepreneurship that you're not gonna wanna miss. Okay, so let's hop into it. Now, before I answer the question, let's look at something here first, right? And that is that most people would love to start an online business so they can get out their 9 to 5, they can quit their job, they can quit college, they can quit university. And whilst that is great, and for most people that's a really good goal, I'm gonna take things a step further here and say that in an ideal world, most people would be very, very happy with earning over $10,000 per month. Now, if we look at social media marketing, in order to get to $10,000 per month, if you take into consideration that an average client is anywhere from $1,000 to $2,000 per month, kind of on the low end, then all you need is 5 to 10 clients on a monthly basis, 5 to 10 clients to be paying you every single month in order for you to make $10,000 online. Now, I want to let that sink in a second, okay? You only need 5 to 10 customers to be making $10,000 per month. Now, let's look at just maybe you want to quit your job. Maybe an average person is, say, on $3,000 per month, $4,000 per month. Again, all you need is 2 to 4 customers, and for some people, depending on the size of the retainer, you'd probably get away with having 1 to 2 clients in order to make this a full-time income for you. So now that we understand that, let's now look at how many businesses are in the world. Because the great thing about social media marketing is every business needs it. Every business wants more customers. Most people and businesses as well aren't using social media as good as they could be. They're not, reaping all the rewards from it. They're not reaping all the benefits that it has to offer. And most people who are running ads aren't doing a great job. So if we understand that most people want to get more customers and all businesses want to scale, that means that the demand for more customers is huge, and this is a service that offers a solution to that problem. Now, obviously, there are businesses in every country of the world, and there's well over 100 countries, almost 200 countries on planet Earth. But if we just take a look right now at probably the 2 biggest countries in terms of getting clients and where my audience is watching from, which is the US and the UK. Now, in the UK alone right now, there are 2 million businesses. And in the US, there are 30 million businesses. So between the UK and US alone, there are 32 million businesses. And all you need is 5 to 10 customers of that 32 million to be making $10,000 per month. So to answer your question, is social media marketing dead? 100% not. Social media is growing on a month-to-month basis. And people always think, is it oversaturated? Of course it's not oversaturated, because, even if it was saturated, right? Let's pretend for a minute that there was enough social media marketers to help all of the businesses on the planet. Let's pretend that there was for a second, which there definitely isn't. Even if there was, you only need to be good enough to get 5 to 10 customers and you could be making more than a doctor. You could be making a 6-figure salary a year, which is crazy. Now, another statistic for you here is that there is 2.38 billion monthly active users on Facebook, and that is scaling and growing consistently month to month. Just let that sink in a second. 2.38 billion monthly active users on Facebook. So when people say, is Facebook dead? Is Facebook advertising dead? Is social media marketing dead? Of course it's not. We're still in the infancy stage of what's possible with social media, where it's going. Now, does that mean in 5-10 years things will change? Yes, of course there will. There'll probably be new social media platforms coming around. There'll probably be new advertising platforms. And it's our job as social media marketers to kind of stay ahead of the curve of that. Just go onto Instagram, look at the statistics of how fast Instagram is growing, how fast the monthly active user base is growing. Look at Facebook. I think they still have, I think it's something like 1.1 or 1.2 billion daily logins inside of Facebook. So look, for those of you people who are worrying about Is social media marketing dead? Is it dying? Is Facebook dying? Is social media marketing going to be around forever? Look, you guys shouldn't be stressing, because all that is you're telling yourself a limiting belief. You're putting a limiting belief in your head as basically an excuse why you shouldn't get started, as to why it shouldn't work. You need to be an optimist, okay? You need to look optimistically at this and think, I can do it. All I need is 2 to 4 customers to make a full-time income and quit my job, and all I need is 5 to 10 customers to be earning a 6-figure income doing this. I need no money to start, and I can get started today. There really are no excuses, so please get rid of that limiting belief. It's holding you back from living the life that you deserve. So hopefully this video cleared it up for you guys. If you are interested in a more in-depth training on exactly how you can start and scale your social media marketing agency without cold calling, I do have a training program that's linked down below. We have hundreds and hundreds of successful students inside of there. Every single day I'm getting messages of people going on and landing clients. It really is a very close community. We've got the Facebook group, we've got a WhatsApp group, everyone's there to support you. So if that does interest you and you're looking to start your own social media business, have my hand there to hold you throughout the whole thing. It's 2 to 3 times cheaper than an average program, and it also has 10 times the amount of results than most programs on the market as well. So definitely worth checking out. I appreciate you guys watching this video. Drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll be more than happy to answer them. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.